Hi, in this video, I will be showing you guys how to generate passive income, real passive income with the power of AI. So the tools that I will be showing you guys today is ChatGPT, and then with the help of ChatGPT, we are going to generate articles, blog posts, and we are going to post them on Vocal and Medium, two of the best publishing sites where you can publish your articles and you can generate income. You can promote your affiliate programs, and at the same time you can, when the readers are going to read your articles, you will get money from these platforms. Okay, having said that, you will be generating real income like such, which I'm going to show you now. So these, look at the views, 930,000 views, and the earnings. These are people making real money through this beautiful websites. And I'm going to break it down, make it really easy for you guys to see and for yourself and do it for yourself. So here we are, guys. This is ChatGPT, and this ChatGPT, if you guys don't know, is a very powerful, one of the most powerful AI tools that will generate all your articles, blog posts for yourselves, and that you will be posting onto Vocal, which is one of the publishing sites, and Medium, which is another publishing site. As you can see, people have already published all their articles here. So if you just go into these articles, and you can see like how to make money with ChatGPT or the proven methods and whatever the person has written. Once you have read these articles, the more you read, the more followers you have. Like this person, Mr. Zubair, whatever his name is, 383 followers. He's doing really good. So similarly, you have to keep on posting every single day, maybe 2 times, 3 times a day, and you will be able to generate good income. So over here, I'll show you a quick example of how we are going to do that. Try and give uh, as clear prompts as possible so you get the best results. So let's say, for example, let's we can say how to make money online with Amazon FBA. Write me an article of around 500 words on how to make money, and then you just press enter and you wait and you let the magic happen. So now what it is doing, it's going to give you a 500-word article which we will be taking and we will be posting onto Vocal and Medium to generate regular monthly passive income. As long as people are reading your articles, you will be getting your money. And it's a very simple way of making money. And ChatGPT has made it even more simpler. Before, blogging used to be very tiresome. You would have to have ideas, then you would have to have the time to sit down and write those are the ideas, and then you'll be posting them, and then you'll be just sitting and thinking like on your own websites, and there's no traffic. But with Vocal and Medium, there are hundreds and millions of people who are already reading blog posts and articles on those websites. So that is what we will be doing, guys. Okay, so for now, let's just say stop generating. So now it has generated this article for you. You can say give me 5 titles for this article. So now it's going to give you 5 titles that you can use for your blog in on Vocal and Medium. So 5 easy steps to make money with Amazon FBA, maximizing your profit, unlocking potential. So I think I'll go with the first one. That is really nice. So let's take the first article. All you have to do is just copy and paste. So you go here, you say, let's say create story, give them the title, subtitle, 5 easy steps to make money online with Amazon FBA. Let Amazon do the heavy lifting. Then what you need is an image for Amazon. So you just go to Google and search Amazon, and you go to images, find one of the images. Let's say, for example, I like this one. So you save the image onto your desktop and you come back here, select the image, Amazon, open. There you are, and then you can write your article. So from here, you just take the whole thing and you paste it here. So once you've done that, uh, just make these, highlight these so it's more friendly for reading for customers, whoever is coming to read our articles. Okay, so since this is 4, so we have to make this 4 easy steps instead of 5. There you go. So your article is ready. Now what you need to do is save changes. And in these articles, you can always link your affiliate links if you have. You can promote Amazon products. Over here, you just have to select a category. So if you go, let's say, for example, what are we doing right now? We are giving us advice for people to learn, and we are also, yeah, helping them to be successful. So once this is done, you just do submit for review, and back to my posts. Once this is done, guys, now what you have to do is just keep on posting regularly, and you can also share your posts onto your social networks like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. That's how you are going to make money, guys. Until the next time I see you guys, thank you for watching and hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you. Bye bye.